Susan Hendricks in for Vinnie Politan on this Wednesday. Now in America, Florida has its 40. Now we are just looking for the Seminole 6. I want to bring in my legal dream team. Criminal defense attorneys Carrie Hackett is here and Darren Kevinoki. Darren and Carrie, good to see you both.
Nice to see you.
So,
great to see you, Susan.
Something as serious as being a victim of a crime, Carrie, I mentioned this, it could go either way. If you're an attorney, what are you listening for when you hear that?
I'm listening for their reaction to that experience and whether they have any sympathies or leanings or biases that could hurt my client as a defense lawyer. I'm particularly listening to see if that experience has scarred them in some way such that they're going to associate with Trayvon Martin.
And then crickets in the courtroom. You could tell that person does not want to be sequestered with the other jurors on the weekend thinking, okay, I may be cooped up. But the judge was saying, there'll be activities. We were talking, we said maybe a field trip. Terry, do you blame them for not wanting to be sequestered?
No, absolutely not. But the real reason that these jurors will need to be sequestered is because they need to be protected from all outside influence. It's really important, both for the victim in this case and for the defense team, that they be sequestered.
Carrie, do you think they're going to pick that juror, potential juror, who said, will we be sequestered? Would you pick her if you were there?
Well, I don't know. That wouldn't be enough to make me want to strike that juror for cause or otherwise. But I think they would need to listen to all of her answers and take that with the totality of all of her other answers to make a determination about whether that juror is going to be sympathetic to their side.
It's a difficult process in that courtroom, as you both know. I want to bring back our legal dream team, defense attorneys Carrie Hackett back and Darren Kevinoki join me. I'll start with you, Carrie. How important is it for potential jurors, for the judge, to see that a person has support like George Zimmerman for his mom and dad to come to court?
I think it's very important. It shows that solidarity, that they've been behind him all of this time and that they'll continue to support him throughout the trial. It shows that he has a good family upbringing and a background that I think a lot of the jurors will associate with.
So, Carrie, in your experience, do you think that the jurors do look at the parents and see how heartbreaking it is for them and just the support that they give their son or daughter?
Absolutely. I think that jurors look at it, even attorneys look at it. We look at the reactions of parents, our clients, how jurors are reacting to certain testimony to kind of gauge how the trial is going and whether we need to modify our strategy somewhere in the process.
All right, Carrie and Darren, thanks so much again today. George Zimmerman's parents in court for the first time.